morning, guys. The time now is 6:30. It is the 30th of October 2021, and we are getting ready to go and have fun on our annual vacation. Are you excited?
Yay!
We will see you next on our way to the airport. Bye. Hello. We have come into the airport. We are checking in. And for some reason, like, the line isn't moving at all. How long have you stayed in the line?
Last 25 minutes.
25 minutes, the line isn't moving. It's causing me troubles. I'm hungry, I need to go.
2 hours later.
You just made it in time. Just in time.
3 hours
These
later.
cab services called Blue Cab Services. It was given to us by Make My Trip only. They arranged it for us and we did not know this was a facility that was available. But they're giving us a cab right now and hopefully we should reach our hotel on time. So we checked into our hotel. We unpacked our luggage, only took today, and we freshened up a little bit. We are still very hungry, but we decided we should go to Qutub Minar, and there are going to be a lot of restaurants in and around Qutub Minar complex. So we thought we should go there. Hello, we just finished our tour at Qutub Minar. We really enjoyed it. I've come here when I was younger and I could not understand a lot of it. When was the last time you were here?
2001.
How old were you then?
I was 9 years old.
And did you enjoy it now or did you enjoy it then?
I enjoyed it now.
नॉर्मल आप पानी कौन सा यूज करते हो? What are you taking?
Only soda. ऐसा वाला बॉटल से नहीं देते हैं.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
The next day.
Morning, guys. It's the 31st of October 2021. The time is 8 o'clock. We woke up super late, but we did not realize that we slept through our alarm. So, yeah. You go down and you tell them to fix our bathroom situation. This is how I look. ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಣ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 5 minutes. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಖಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಖಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಸೈಟ್ಸ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಯು at our breakfast place. We've come to Khan Market. We took an auto from our hotel and we came to Khan Market. Problem is, none of the restaurants here are open. At least we can't see any restaurants that are open because we are very hungry. I think it's going to be a recurring theme in our vlog that we're always hungry and we find nothing to eat.
These guys are open.
And then we find something to eat out of like frustration. We'll just like end up somewhere and we'll go eat. But full disclosure, there are 2 places open here in Khan Market. Their breakfast is so expensive, like my middle class brain cannot understand. 400 rupees for toast. 400 rupees and full thing I can eat bread toast and still not feel any guilt. So I don't know what we're going to do now. ಏನು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಾ?
Not sure yet. We need to go there and check coffee.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
Few moments later.
So we found one taxi driver who was very kind enough to bring us to one street side breakfast place that has chole bhatura and parota. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಪರೋಟ. ಸೊ ಪರೋಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೋಲೆ ಭಟೂರನೂ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಪರೋಟ ಬಟ್ ಚೋಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರೋಟ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೋಲೆ, ಸಮ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್
Green mirchi.
chilli. Let's see. So round is doing at home also I can't. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉಕ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಲೂನ್ ತರ. My husband is telling this is good. We'll take. How is it?
Super.
It's nice. Finally we got breakfast. Yered parota kottidare. It's really nice. I think we're going to be full for a while. So now we'll breakfast madkondu we came to India Gate only to be informed that India Gate is closed. Construction ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. There's some construction happening. So it's closed. ಯಾರನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. But War Memorial is somewhere close by. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Full ಈಗ Secretariat ಏರಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ there's a lot of construction happening. So we don't know which monuments or which places of interest are closed and open. We have now made it to War Memorial. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು because the entrance to War Memorial from India Gate is closed, like I said, because of the construction. There are multiple access points to this War Memorial, so one of them is open. So hang bandvi now. In a little bit, hopefully I can take you guys inside with me. Come to Red Fort. War Memorial in the Red Fort outside we got an auto driver, but he missed one turn and he ended up putting us somewhere else. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು we come here. Thankfully we don't have to wait in the line because ನಾವು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Market.
We are in Red Fort. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. It's very nice. Entrance al barsta there is a bazaar called Chatta Chowk, which means covered market. It was built by Shah Jahan in the 17th century and was sold in the Chatta Chowk, catered to imperial households who had very classy choices in life like silk, brocades, gems and jewelry. So it was a market for them. And you can see behind me some parts that are all belong to Red Fort. We ended up not going to Haldiram, but this is Diwani here, and the song in one of the songs in Jodha Akbar, the set has been inspired by this whole setting. So it's nice, really nice. We finally finished Diwan-e-Aam, seeing it, and adar hinde there is Rang Mahal, and adar pakka is Mumtaz Mahal. For some odd reason I thought Mumtaz Mahal was Taj Mahal. I don't know why I thought that way. Some misinformation
No,
and
Mumtaz Mahal.
Some weird conception.
No,
in my
Mumtaz
head.
Mahal is buried under Taj Mahal, but Mumtaz's Mahal is here,
Where she lived.
where she used to live. And then this guy, who was?
Shah Jahan.
Then Shah Jahan went to Agra. He shifted his capital to Agra and started constructing the Taj Mahal. When he was still the emperor. So because of that, I think he used to live here. He died. He built the stuff there.
Oh.
This is our version of history, not real history.
So we are right now in Chandni Chowk. It's so crowded. It reminds me of Commercial Street. But Commercial Street is crowded agilla. It's just too much.
आइए मैडम आइए आइए फतेहपुरी ले
Hours later.
So, what did we do? We finished Chandni Chowk
Yeah.
and we went around Chandni Chowk.
We went
My
to
God.
Maratha Wala Galli.
That place is a labyrinth. Alon Sati Hotodre, it's like a Chakravyuha. You can't come out. And you're so tempted to purchase something. And it's almost like if you don't purchase something, you've committed a crime. But guess what I did? I did not purchase a single thing. One thing also I didn't purchase. But we decided we should cut short our day. And ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗೋದು ಒಳಗಡೆ
It's not working.
give
No.
officially we are stuck outside our own hotel room. God bless us. So we went downstairs and we got our key card rectified. So turns out that if you keep the key card near a mobile phone or if it's in close contact with the mobile phone, it stops working. So ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ we got that fixed and we came back.